श्री महागणपते शिवकुमार गणपते शक्ति रूप गणपते भक्ति रूप गणपते श्री महागणपते शिवकुमार गणपते शक्ति रूप गणपते भक्ति रूप गणपते श्री महागणपते एकदंत गणपते ओंकार गणपते लंबोदर गणपते ललित गुणा गणपते विघ्नराज गणपते विघ्नेश्वर गणपते प्रणव रूप गणपते परम शांत गणपते श्री महागणपते शिवकुमार गणपते शक्ति रूप गणपते भक्ति रूप गणपते श्री महागणपते श्री महागणपते श्री महागणपते।
Shri Guruvyo Namaha. Hello dear friends, it's time for an annual sports day, Synergy 2021. But this is of a different kind, a virtual gathering of enthusiastic bunch of our primary and middle school graders. I am Rachit Sanjeev, the sports captain here to host the show. I was so looking forward to be leading the contingents and marching briskly with the school flag, waiting for the trophy to be handed over to the winning house. Pandemic, however, kept us homebound and inactive. But at LLA, we were given a daily dose of physical fitness through activities ranging from yoga to calisthenics. As much as we missed our school grounds, coming alive for track practices, march past rehearsals, mass drills and dances, we were able to bring in some excitement. Get active, have fun is the tagline of this year's Synergy. Instead of the regular format, we decided to involve every student to participate in displays that range from yogasanas to karate, from aerobics to tabata. Yes, our friends had spread it out in their homes to perfect every move and flex every muscle. The physical education department worked very hard to give personalized training and ensured all students participated wholeheartedly and had fun in doing so. So sit back and enjoy Synergy, our sports day, Zara Hatke. Flag teaches and highlights lessons of love, culture, respect, discipline and pride. I request our principal, Ms. Manasvi Kumar, to unfurl the school flag and also give the inaugural address.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Synergy, our annual sports day, is the most awaited event of the school calendar. We at LLA give utmost importance to fitness and sports. And you are all well aware that our school is a name to reckon with in the national sporting arena. Active participation in sports always pays rich dividends in terms of fitness, well-being and happiness. This year we missed out the mega event in our sprawling campus. We are, however, bringing it out through a different platform. It is one event which is thoroughly enjoyed by both children and adults. The sporting culture at LLA is robust and very healthy. Sports Day is an important and memorable day in a student's life as it instills sportsmanship and competitive spirit. We may be missing the cheers and chants of the students on the ground, but we are sure the new virtual Synergy will be equally appealing. The theme for this year's Sports Day is Get Active, Have Fun. Immense hard work and grueling practice sessions by the students and the training given by the physical education teachers have gone into making this year's Sports Day interesting. I'm sure all our students had lots of fun developing resilience and fitness during their rehearsals. We thank Ms. Sara Naqvi, our chief guest, for gracing the occasion. Her virtual presence today will motivate and inspire our students to take up sports as a passion. I am grateful to our Vice President, Mr. K.M. Sundaram, for his continued support. We thank our parents for their cooperation, without which we couldn't make it so far. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. A popular proverb sums it all for today. We would like you to watch all the displays to encourage our students. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your encouraging words. Now it is time for the most important ritual in any event like this, lighting the torch. The concept, which originated from the ancient Olympic Games, represents the relentless spirit of mankind, burning and forging ahead, a never dying, never yielding approach.
The torch is carried by Chandrasekhar Aditya of class 10th. Aditya has bagged first place in CBSE clusters in 4 into 100 meters in 2019 and 20. In Sprint 2020, he secured second position in 4 into 100 meters relay. He was part of the medley race that won first place in State Olympics 2019.
The torch has been passed on to Adyanta C of class 10. Adyanta is a state-level table tennis player. In the CBSE Table Tennis Cluster Meet 2018, he bagged the third place. He is also a Brown Belt 1 holder in Karate.
The torch has been handed over to Vidisha Karthik of class 10. Vidisha has bagged first place in 4 into 100 meters in CBSE clusters, first place in 4 into 100 meters and fourth place in long jump in sprint, the annual athletic meet in Chennai.
Ananya Santosh of class 10 is now carrying the torch. In 2016, she won 3 positions in Karnataka State Kalaripayattu competition. In 2018, Ananya bagged the second position in a Kalaripayattu national tournament at New Delhi. She has won a cash award of 1,50,000 from Khelo India National Sports Meet for her outstanding performance.
The torch is being handed over to Rachit Sanjeev, our sports captain. Rachit has bagged bronze medal in Karnataka State Junior Athletic Championship. He is part of Karnataka State Athletic Team for Junior National Championship. He has bagged medals in CBSE clusters for 7 years consecutively and is a 2-time finalist in CBSE National Athletic Meet. Rachit created a new record last year in 400 meters event in sprint, the PSBB Group of Schools Athletic Meet held in Chennai.
I now request Pranav Manoj of class 8 to introduce our chief guest.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. It is our honor to welcome our young and enthusiastic chief guest for today, Ms. Sara Naqvi, an international level badminton player. Ma'am has been trained under the legendary badminton champion of our country, Mr. Pulela Gopichand, and at Tom's Academy, Namma Bengaluru. Ms. Naqvi has represented our nation in prestigious tournaments held in countries like Hungary, Sri Lanka, Korea, Indonesia, to name a few. Sara ma'am has been a semi-finalist in the Under-19 national level badminton tournament from 2009 to 2012. Ma'am has the distinction of being the Under-13, Under-16, Under-19 and the senior state champion in the same year. Ms. Sara Naqvi has been honoured by the UP state government as the top state ranked player. Ma'am loves to travel and shuttles to many of the beaches. She loves to unwind with movies and chocolates. Sara ma'am is currently working for a government office at Chennai and continues to follow her passion in spite of her busy schedule. We thank her for being present on this unique event. May we now request our chief guest to say a few words.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Mrs. Mahalakshmi Kumar, the principal of PSBB LLA Bangalore, for giving me an opportunity to share a few words with you all. On the occasion of Sports Day, I would like to talk about the importance of sports in each one's lives while growing up. Our bodies, muscles and bones are well exercised when we participate in some kind of physical sports, whether it is football, swimming, badminton, boxing or any other sports. It provides us strength and makes us more energetic. Sports and games not only keep our mind and body healthy, fit and composed, but also acts as a good time pass. Along with studies, you can take sports as extracurricular activities to keep your mind fresh and body healthy. Sports, which has traditionally considered as hobby, especially in India, is not being taken seriously as a career option. Our country's performance in various sports has been outstanding, and since then, sports as a career is growing in India. If you choose sports as a career, it gives you many opportunities in different fields. I hope to see a national and international level athlete among you all. We should look up to the sports person who have struggled a lot and succeeded in their career. We should take inspiration from them and never give up, whether it is sports, studies or in life. I wish you all good luck and bright future ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspirational words. The links to watch various displays have been shared. We request you to watch the entire event to encourage our budding sports enthusiasts. Kindly join us at 10 a.m. for the closing ceremony.